In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set SSLTLS mode to full strict in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll understand what this setting does, why it matters for security, and exactly where to turn it on so your visitors always connect to your site with the highest level of end-to-end encryption Cloudflare offers. Start by heading to dash.cloudflare.com and signing in to your account. Use the same credentials you normally use to manage your Cloudflare sites. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of the domains you've added to Cloudflare. Choose the site you want to configure by clicking its domain name. This takes you into that site's control panel, where all the settings are scoped to just that domain. Next, open the SSLTLS settings. In the left-hand sidebar, click SSLTLS, then choose Overview. Think of this page as the command center for how Cloudflare encrypts traffic to and from your site. The setting you're about to change determines how Cloudflare connects to your origin server behind the scenes, not just how visitors connect to Cloudflare at the edge. Getting this right ensures your traffic is encrypted the whole way, not only part of the journey. On the Overview page, look for the SSL/TLS encryption mode section. You'll see options such as off, flexible, full, and full, strict. Some enterprise plans may also show strict or SSL-only origin pull. Select full, strict. This tells Cloudflare to connect to your origin using HTTPS and to verify the origin certificate is valid and matches your host name. It's the most secure option and is generally the recommended choice when your origin has a proper certificate. A quick note on the modes. Flexible only encrypts between the visitor and Cloudflare, leaving the connection to your origin unencrypted, which isn't ideal. Full encrypts both legs but doesn't validate the origin certificate. Full, strict, encrypts both legs and requires a valid certificate on your origin, issued by a trusted authority or by Cloudflare's Origin CA. If you ever see errors like 525 or 526 after switching, that usually means the origin certificate is missing, expired, or mismatched, and your hosting provider or server admin can help install a valid one. Once selected, Cloudflare applies the change quickly. Give it a moment to propagate. From here, you can continue managing your site as usual, knowing your visitors benefit from strong, verified encryption from their browser all the way to your server. That's it. Your site is now using full, strict in Cloudflare.